We had two key messages to bring to the committee today with regards to the future structures of universities in Wales, as well as further education governance, because these are two key issues for us as a trade union for the coming months and possibly for the coming year, and we think that these are the two biggest issues that are going to come across the desk of this committee.
We really wanted to get over the importance of work-based learning to the economy of Wales and apprenticeships, and to make Assembly members and the committee aware of how much activity is going on in work-based learning in their own constituencies, with employers, pan-Wales.
Very fast-paced, but a really good way to meet lots of new Assembly members, new committee members, and contribute to the work programme going forward.
Well, it's exhausting. Spending 5 minutes with a range of Assembly members trying to get your point across, it's quite tiring. But a very good taster to get your points on the radar, and then an opportunity to follow up with them at a later stage. So it's been a very useful outreach exercise, I think.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.